Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to install GTM on your WordPress website. For installing a GTM, you need to first land on your Google Tag Manager.google.com. Once you are there, you need to click on create account, and here you need to write your company name. Mine is gomahamaya, and here I'm going to choose the country, that is India. Once that is done, scroll down and enter your website link. Currently I want it for lalitkar.in, and then I need to choose the web option. I'll click on create, and here you need to accept the terms and condition. I'll accept this and I'll click on yes. You'll see the GTM code will get pop up like this on your front end. If you already have a dashboard, you can cancel this and go to admin section, and in case if you're not able to find it also, then you can go to the admin section, and inside admin you need to click on install GTM, and there you'll find your Google Tag Manager code. You need to add it inside your head and the body. For adding inside the WordPress, we need one plugin to add the code inside the head part and the body part. Why we need plugin? Because if you'll add these code inside a theme, and if you update the theme, then you may lose the data. That's why we use plugin. For that, we are going to log into our dashboard. Hover the plugin, click on add new. I'm going to use this plugin, header and footer code. It's quite easy to use and is by Alexander, and even the rating is quite good. So I'll search header and footer code. I'll get this option by this author name. I'll click on install. I'll click on activate. Once the plugin is activated, hover over the tools, click on head and footer code. There you'll find option called head code, body code and the footer code. So go to your GTM back again, copy the head code and paste inside the head section, and again go back and copy the body tag code and paste inside the body code. Now scroll down and click on save changes. Now we'll test our front end landing page. To test whether you have installed it or not, we are going to install one extension, that is by Google itself. You can search the name Tag Assistant inside the Google search, and you'll find first option when you'll search it. I'll click on it and I'll click on add to Chrome. Click add. Here you need to click on this option and you need to pin this to your Chrome extensions. And now go to your website, click on this, and you need to first click on done. Then click on enable. Now if you'll refresh it, if you'll go back to this option, you'll see the GTM is fired. So now that means your Google Tag Manager is working fine and you have installed it perfectly. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.